Hi YouTubers. I got a special request from another YouTuber by the name of Sur Ronster. Would like to get a fork for his RSF650. And we're going to go ahead and set him up. If you check out one of my previous other videos, you'll see how I show you how to swap one of these onto an RSF650. But it does leave the front end a little short, so for this order we're going to go ahead and stretch it out a little bit. The Sur Ronster has found out that Razors are kind of fun, so he picked up the sport bike version, and Electro & Co is going to go ahead and hook him up with a kit. I think they just did. I think he may have gotten it today and installed it, so that's real cool. Good job, buddy. Enjoy the bike. They're a blast. Let's go ahead and build you up a stretch set of forks, huh?
Catchy as having ants in your eyes, so that always goes, off by the wayside. I can't feel. I can't feel. It's a very rare disease. All my nerves, they don't allow for the sensation of touch.
Look at that.
They don't allow for the sensation of touch.
You hear that?
Am I standing, sitting? I don't know.
I'm going to go ahead and clean it out with an air compressor. Clean these two up and then re-grease them. Alright.
I don't know. Two brothers.
Alright, let's clean these guys off.
Suspect says that was a lie. I say appreciate the life you have, because it can always be worse. Back to you, Rex. Thank you, Rex. 717 Meanwhile, in election news, it's an unexpected turn of events. It says Morty from the Morty's soars to the top of the poll. Yes, Morty, what's your original reality and where's your record? Gosh, we moved around so much, we moved around so much it's hard to remember. I see every Rick is my Rick. I hope they see me as another, please, with less water. Hey, cheer up, pal. Morty's gonna be president. Morty's gonna be president. Imagine this, kiss. They're getting blamed for everything. Guess I should have had a face. Not faith you need. It's fear. It's fear. It's fear. Fear. What's this? It's secrets. What do you think it is? Look at how I'm dressed.
Alright, so
Are you afraid at all for your safety? I'd rather live
tying
in
up the first one, move on to the second one.
Are you afraid at all for your safety? I'd rather live in hope than fear. If I had to fear anything, I'd fear others being afraid of fear. Fear. Self. But, no, I'm not afraid. Hey, Rick, man, when there's a Morty president, you gonna lick my balls or what?
Good. She's good. Here's factory. Here's factory one.
What?
Look at that difference. It's totally doable.
Son, you keep me peeling squab squab.
I think you're gonna love it, Ronster. Sur Ronster. I think you're gonna love this, Sur Ronster.
Slipping nibs.
Alright.
Nibs.
Just gotta package it back up.
Nibs.
Ship it to him.
Nibs. It's all like whatever ain't nailed down. In the air. What the hell, man? What the hell in hell? You guys doing a little chemistry homework? Grandpa?
Done up, ready to go.
Grandpa?
There you have it.
That's what I think.
Razor MX front fork converted over to a Razor RSF. Took a little bit of work, totally worth it. Using all OEM parts. Not bad.
You two are hungry.
We're gonna kill God.